Hello. So today I'm going to bring you how to do street singing. So please, if you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon because you will get all my new videos coming to you after that. If you think it's good, please press a like. So today, I will start with the speaker. So for street singing, you need a speaker with Bluetooth, a speaker with which you can connect to your mic, which you can connect songs with the AUX port. It's a multiple speaker. So I have a speaker like this. It's very small, but it's good. It's quite good for street singing. So that's the first thing I wanted, and it's with a rechargeable battery because you cannot get the electricity from the street, right? So it's with the rechargeable battery for 5 hours. And the next thing you should have, very important, you should have a telephone. A telephone is to connect to the speaker. You should have a cord, or with the Bluetooth, you have to be connected to the speaker. It's very important. The telephone, it may be iPhone, it may be a Samsung phone, it may be a Nokia phone, or any type of phones. So please don't worry about the type of phone as long it has a AUX port and it's easy to connect to your speaker, or with Bluetooth. It's no problem. Okay, so don't worry about the phone. And the next thing is you should have a mic. A microphone is very important. If you have a good mic, like with a little bit better quality, it's good for your vocal because your vocal comes out from the mic, and it depends on the quality of the mic. But you can adjust it if you have echo on your speakers. Like this, I have a small echo, so I can adjust it from my speaker. So mic is very essential also. If you have a good mic, it's very good for you. And these are the main three things which is very essential for street singing. So guys, if you think my video was good, please do subscribe it again and press the like and press the bell button. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you for watching my video. Test our sound system, how it works. Someone do long ago, there's a flame before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it will rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like water. I wonder, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Alright guys, so I think you heard the sound and how it works out. So see you in our next video. Bye bye.